Now let's do the cooking. Our recipe for today is marinated chicken. Well, I think it's already hot enough, the pan. So the pan, and we'll put some oil in there. I just use coconut oil. That's good enough. I like the smell of it. It's a coconut oil. Now let's put the chicken. Oh, see that? This is I think we call it teriyaki or marinated teriyaki chicken with spice. Sorry. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Okay. And I'll adjust the heat to number 7. That's number 7. Now it's cooking, and I put the lid on and let's wait until it's cooked. Let it like brown a little and make it juicy and tender. It's almost done. Now our chicken is done. Look how yummy it is. Holy moly, I'm hungry. You guys wanna eat with me? And of course, good thing about this stove that when you take it out, it will turn off by itself. So it's a fire safety. See, it will turn off. If there's nothing in there, it will turn off by itself. See, and you can only use a pan that is magnetic underneath. I really love this stove. We have this for about almost a year now, and it's very easy to clean. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like my cooking. Just a simple recipe. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching my video, and let's eat. And guys, I would like to introduce you about the cloth that I use to clean up this stove. This this is a very good cloth to clean the stove, because it never leave residue or small particles. It's always clean and and shiny. So Look. Um, and this is handmade, and if you want to order it, and I will make lots for you, and it will be available to purchase on my Etsy. So if you can visit my Etsy store, and I'm selling this kitchen rug, call it kitchen rug, and it's really nice, you know, to use to clean your stove, or any like fridge or mirror. It's really nice to clean it. You see, then you make it dry and it just looks shiny and clean. It will dry up, and then it's just it's just really nice. Okay, thank you, bye.